What's up, you guys? It's me, Hair Obsessed JC. I'm going to be taking you guys along the journey of me cutting my hair myself at home or trimming my hair myself at home. I just wash and deep condition my hair and I air dried. So I'm just going to be combing out my hair just to see how my hair feels and look. I'm a 1 week post in this video. I did my post relaxer treatment, which I'm loving at the moment. This is my second time using Olaplex number 1 and 2. So now that I've finished detangle, this is the amount of hair that's in the comb. That's not much to talk about, but I'm taking you guys along this journey. I just did some research. I just watched Deeper Than Hair TV, I believe is the name of the channel. She's a professional and she's showing you how to trim your hair at home. So I'm going to be following her professional advice and taking you along this journey of how I'm going to do the same thing to my hair. In that video, she blow dried her hair, but I did air dried hair. I try to keep away from heat as much as possible. In her video, she said to separate the middle or the crown of the hair in order to get a proper cut. So I just showed you guys that I don't have any split ends, but I would like to even up my hair somewhat, so I decided to trim it myself at home since I've decided not to visit any more of the hairstylists locally here since I've been getting bum jobs. That's the only word I can find, sorry. So I'm separating my hair as she mentioned, and I am going to get ready to cut my hair. During the video, you're going to see me make some mistakes, but at the end result is what matters. I couldn't believe how well my hair looked, and you guys are going to see. I'm going to leave some chapters down below so that you guys can follow along easily. Okay, so now that I have that separated, I'm going to get ready now to cut my hair. Now this was super difficult since this is the first time I'm doing it, and I'm trying to take my time as I go along. I'm using my cell phone so that you guys can see because my other camera is too far away. So I feel a bit awkward, but that's what I did. I made the first cut. Simple. Boom. There you have it. Okay, so I'm just checking. So the second thing that she says you have to do is to separate the hair in the middle to make another cut down the side. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by doing that. I'm going to leave the video as reference in the description box below. Okay, so now that I have this section, I'm going to grab that whole section just like so and get ready to clip the end. Alright, so I'm using just the end there and I'm going to go straight across and make the cut. It's super easy. I couldn't believe how well I did. Please comment down below, you guys. Let me know if you guys are accustomed of cutting your hair yourself at home. I've always gone to a professional to do this for me, and I find that although I'm having a little bit difficulty in how this scissors feels awkward in my hand, it's not so bad. I'm wondering if I did blow dry my hair, if I would have gotten a better control of grabbing the hair. Okay, so I'm going to make another cut just like so. I know you guys are probably saying, but you're not really cutting anything. As I said at the beginning, I don't have split ends. I just want to even up my hair a little bit. Please, if you're this far along in my video, please don't forget to give this video a like if you think that I'm doing a good job. So I'm just gonna check. She said to make a deeper section in the crown and then make another cut. So that's what I just did. I know it doesn't look like much, but it is enough. Now, according to her, you have to make another section, make your hair into 2 sections in order to get to the back yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. And grab all the hair just like so and make another cut. Or in my case, trim. And there you have it. What do you guys think? So I'm going to make the other cut on the other side just the same way. Boom. That's it. And I'm going to make some cleaning up at the back. Can see the awkwardness, how I feel so awkward trying to cut this hair. So you guys, I'm going to just comb through my hair and turn around so that you guys can see what my hair looks like. Please don't forget to comment and let me know how well I did with doing this myself at home. It's my first time trying. I know you're going to say that I didn't cut much, but you're going to see when I turn around how much hair was cut. And I think I did well. And that's how my hair looks at the back. So there you have it. This is the finished look. If you did like it, please don't give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out in the algorithm. And if you like hair and beauty videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hashtag Hair Obsessed Club. If you like more videos, just watch these 2 next. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.